Did you know that some kids' bikes are tested by robots that crash them thousands of times before they're ever sold? Yes, bikes go through intense crash courses just to ensure they can survive the wildest rides. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Behind every shiny bike is a world of hidden secrets and mind-blowing facts. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling journey inside the world of kids' bikes manufacturing, where science and fun meet to create the perfect ride. Number 1. Research and design. The blueprint of fun. Before a kid's bike is even built, the design phase kicks in. Manufacturers spend a lot of time researching what makes the perfect bike for a child. They look at the different sizes, age groups, and riding needs. A bike for a 5-year-old isn't the same as one for a 10-year-old. That's why every bike starts with a blueprint that's carefully designed to fit the little riders perfectly. They make sure the bikes are lightweight but sturdy, easy to handle, and have the right proportions. But here's a fun fact. Some companies actually have kids test the bikes during the design phase. They observe how children ride and use the feedback to make bikes that are not only safer, but more enjoyable. That means every little rider has a say, in a way, on how their future bikes will turn out. Cool, right? Number 2. Material selection. From steel to lightweight alloys. Choosing the right materials is super important when making a kid's bike. Back in the day, bikes were made mostly from heavy steel. But that's all changed now. Manufacturers use lightweight materials like aluminum or even carbon fiber to make bikes easier to handle. These materials not only make the bikes lighter, but also durable, so they can survive all the bumps, falls, and scrapes that kids put them through. Fun fact, some high-end kids' bikes use the same materials that you'll find in pro-level adult bikes. That means your child could be riding a mini version of a Tour de France bike without even knowing it. Now that's a fun secret hidden in plain sight. Number 3. Safety testing. Crash dummies for kids' bikes? One of the most critical steps in making kids' bikes is safety testing. Manufacturers run rigorous tests to ensure that the bikes can withstand everyday use and accidents. They use machines that mimic crashes to see how the bike holds up in extreme conditions. They also test the brakes, tires, and even the paint for any harmful chemicals. Here's a hidden secret. Some companies use robots as crash dummies to test the bike's endurance. They run the bikes on special tracks for thousands of cycles to make sure every part holds up. So before a bike ever reaches your child, it's already been through a crash course in safety. Number 4. Assembly line magic, where the pieces come together. Once the materials are ready and the design is set, the real magic happens on the assembly line. Skilled workers and specialized machines bring all the different parts together. From attaching the handlebars to fitting the wheels, every step is carefully done to make sure the bike is perfect. And if you think it's all done by machines, think again. Human hands still play a huge role in making sure everything is assembled just right. Here's a little known fact. In some factories, each worker signs off on the bike they assembled, meaning they take personal responsibility for the quality. That's how much care goes into making sure each bike is safe and ready for the road. It's like getting a bike with a hidden signature of approval. Number 5. Painting and customization, where colors pop. One of the most exciting parts of kids' bike manufacturing is the painting and customization. Bikes come in all kinds of colors and designs, often with superhero themes, princess decals, or even glow-in-the-dark paint. The painting process uses non-toxic, child-safe paints to make sure the bikes are as safe as they are stylish. And here's a fun secret. Some high-end bike manufacturers allow you to fully customize your child's bike, from the color of the frame to the design on the seat. It's like creating a one-of-a-kind ride that no one else in the neighborhood will have. Number 6. Wheel manufacturing, rolling towards perfection. The wheels of a kid's bike are more than just rubber circles. They're specially designed to be safe, smooth, and durable. Manufacturers use a mix of rubber compounds to ensure the tires grip the ground, providing stability for beginner riders. The inner tubes are carefully inspected to prevent any air leaks, ensuring the bike is ready for long rides. Here's a cool fact. Some companies offer puncture-proof tires that have layers of protection against nails, glass, or sharp objects. These tires are a parent's dream come true, saving you from the headache of flat tires during family outings. Number 7. Gearing up, simplifying the ride. Gears on kids' bikes are simplified to make riding easy and enjoyable. While adult bikes may have up to 20 gears, most kids' bikes feature only one or a few gears to avoid overwhelming young riders. This way, they can focus on enjoying the ride rather than worrying about shifting gears. Fun fact, some innovative bike companies are developing automatic gear shifting technology for kids' bikes. The bike shifts gears on its own, making it even easier for young riders to handle uphill or downhill terrain without any effort. Number 8. The final inspection, a thorough check before it hits the market. Before the bike is sent out to stores, it goes through one last inspection. Quality control teams check every single detail, from the alignment of the wheels to the tightness of the screws. They even check the bells and baskets to make sure they're perfectly fitted. Only after this final inspection does the bike get the green light to hit the shelves. Here's a fun secret. Some high-end kids' bike companies even take their bikes for a real-world test ride before sending them out. A final road test ensures the bike feels just right and performs well on different terrains. How's that for attention to detail? Number 9. Environmental considerations. Building green bikes. In recent years, many kids' bike manufacturers have taken steps to make their production more eco-friendly. They're using recycled materials for frames and packaging, and some even use solar power to run their factories. The shift towards green manufacturing ensures that future generations have not just cool bikes, but a healthier planet to ride them on. Here's something interesting. Some companies are experimenting with biodegradable bike parts. Imagine a bike that's not only fun to ride, but also friendly to the environment when it's time to dispose of it. This is an exciting development that could change the future of bike manufacturing. Number 10. Customer feedback, the secret to continuous improvement. After the bikes hit the market, manufacturers listen closely to customer feedback. Whether it's from parents or kids themselves, every piece of information is valuable. Feedback helps companies improve their designs, fix any issues, and create even better bikes in the future. This is why some companies hold special events where kids can test new models and give their opinions. Here's a secret most people don't know. Some bike companies have kids' councils, where children actually help test and review new models before they're released. It's like a secret club where young bike riders get a say in what makes the perfect bike. And there you have it, the secret world behind the bikes your kids love to ride. Next time you see one, you'll know it's more than just a bike. It's a masterpiece of creativity, safety, and fun. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!